What's up, y'all? Today is a Saturday, and we're gonna do a review.
It's a Sunday.
Is it really?
Yes.
Well, it's a Sunday apparently. I'm
Hi,
got tired.
I'm Fish. This is Poetic. If you haven't known this already,
And we're gonna be trying Hawai'i Island classic taro chips made in Hawaii. Yellow sorrow.
I should hope so when it says Hawai'i Island.
I mean, it could be
chips.
made like in Cali. You never know. But no, this is actually made on 717 Manoa Street. Awesome. Actually made in Hawaii. So here we go. I'm gonna try these out. You love taro. I don't mind taro.
Come on, you can open up the bag.
They literally made a shit part for it. That's funny. So go ahead and try this. Oh,
He just opens up the whole bag completely.
they actually smell like they're bringing me good.
Yeah, that's actually nice slivers of taro.
Oh wow. These almost remind me of plantain chips.
Mm-hmm.
These are really good.
Nice and thin wafers. Not too salty.
Yeah.
Very neutral flavor.
There's the color. So it's basically like they do a plantain chip, but they just slice it really low.
4 servings for the entirety of the bag, for 140 each. So that equals to 280, 560 for a whole bag. So that actually wouldn't be too bad for using as dip.
It's not. Premium island grown taro, canola oil, and salt. That's the ingredients. So it's literally just pieces of taro fried. I like it.
Always a good sign when you only have a handful of ingredients and
1 to
percent
10,
package.
what would you rate this?
They have a nice crunchability. Not greasy at all. Light on the salt.
Honestly?
I think these are at least a solid 8.
Really?
8.
You can go higher? For chips that are made out of a root vegetable, the salt, not greasy, and still delicious. Honestly?
Isn't potato considered root vegetable?
Yeah, it was just taro.
So you're saying chips made out of root vegetable, you mean like most chips?
Yeah, but it's like a different like starch, that's why. It's not the same as potato. It's a higher starch content.
He's not getting the joke.
I'm exhausted. I'd probably go, personally, I'd go like a 9.6, 9.8. I'd go 9.8. Nothing can be perfect. Because they're good. They're simple, they're good. You know what? I'd even dare say a 10, honestly, because you can dip this in almost anything and you're going to get perfect flavor for it. It reminds me of like my plantain chips that I have from back home. They're just good. Like they're just delicious. It's simplistic, yet super flavorful. So I personally like them.
Oh, they're quite good.
Right amount of salt. Nothing too crazy. Honestly, for Caribbean people, to be real, I'm gonna go with the 10. I like these a lot. There's nothing I would even change. They're good.
I might have liked them slightly a bit thicker. Just so it's easier to dip things and less likely to break.
Yeah.
Not that it's like very flimsy, but
I think for salsa and so it wouldn't be that hard though. I like them. You know what? I'm gonna go with the 10 because these remind me of plantain chips. They're good, delicious. Only thing I would change from them is if they added garlic to it. That'd be fire. But then again, that's going very close to plantain chips. But yeah, I go with 10. You go with what?
8.5.
There you go. Now you know. And knowledge is power. So
The other half is extreme violence. Oh wait.
thank y'all for coming. See y'all later. Keep
And
on
as always, take care.